Meaning of enact.
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 Enact. The word enact refers to the process of passing or making a law or legislation. It involves creating, writing, and approving a legal document within a government body or legislature. The result of enacting a law is that it becomes an official rule that must be followed by the public. This can impact various aspects of society, including rights, responsibilities, and obligations of individuals and organizations. Enacting laws is a fundamental function of government and allows for regulation, protection, and the promotion of societal values.